The Samsung S24 series were introduced and launched on January 17, 2024. Samsung addressed the weaknesses of the S23 and made minor improvements. So, let's dive into the review of the Samsung S24, the smallest member of Samsung's new S series. Design and build quality. The smallest member of the S24 family feels the most comfortable to handle. The design is crafted to capture admiration at first glance, featuring a beautiful, minimalistic look and being one of the lightest and smallest flagship phones in recent years. One such change involves replacing the shiny rounded frame with a matte flat frame, which, while flat, has perfectly proportioned edges that don't feel sharp, giving the phone a great in-hand feel. Build quality. The build quality has been enhanced compared to the previous generation. Although, which unlike the S24 Ultra that uses Gorilla Glass armor with significant improvements, this model relies on Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The frame is more resistant to impact and scratches. Protection standard, the phone has an IP68 rating, meaning it can withstand immersion in water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes without water ingress, which is typically the highest protection level for phones. Appearance characteristics, the display bezels on this phone are thinner than those on the S23, allowing Samsung to equip the S24 with a larger display without increasing its size. The selfie camera, as on most phones, is in a punch-hole design at the top of the screen. Despite the same dimensions as the S23, the S24's reduced bezels give it a larger display. The stereo speakers are positioned on the bottom edge and top of the display, but the top speaker is cleverly hidden, maintaining a seamless look. The under-display fingerprint sensor is impressively quick, accurate, and well-placed. On the back, the phone's vertically aligned cameras have slightly raised lenses, each surrounded by a metal ring for added protection. In summary, this is a phone that, which with its 16.8 weight and compact size, is ergonomic, easy to carry, and offers a minimalistic and modern look. Display: the 6.2-inch dynamic LTPO Super AMOLED display delivering a pixel density of 416 ppi, which provides excellent quality and detail. The LTPO technology allows the screen to adapt its refresh rate to displayed content, reducing power consumption. For example, it adjusts to 24 Hz for movies, the cinematic standard, and up to 120 Hz in other cases, giving both a smooth experience and extended battery life. This panel's brightness reaches to 600 nits, 50% higher than the S23, making it ideal for use in direct sunlight. Unlike other phones, brightness with above 500 nits. Camera: the phone retains a similar 3-camera setup as previous models. The selfie camera also remains unchanged. The 50-megapixel lens captures slightly sharper and more detailed images than its predecessor. Daytime shots with all 3 cameras show excellent color quality. Portrait and regular shots isolate the subject from the background with precision, and faces retain their natural form without artificial effects. The difference in camera performance between this phone and the S23 becomes clear at night. The S23 captures brighter images, and the shadows have more detail. But to remove the noise that occurs due to lighting the photo, the images are much sharper. In the S24, however, which all these problems have been resolved, and you can capture amazing images with this phone's camera at night. Selfie shots are similar to the previous generation, which is a good thing as they offer low noise, realistic skin tones, and impressive detail. For video, this phone offers 8K recording at 30 FPS, a distinctive feature of Samsung's S series. Even the selfie camera performs remarkably in video recording. Hardware and software: the Galaxy S24, relative to the region being served, powered by the Exynos 2400 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensures fast and efficient performance, capable of running demanding apps and games smoothly with optimized power consumption. The phone ships with One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, equipped with multiple AI features such as AI wallpaper customization, live call translation, and text summarization. Unfortunately, which many of these AI features are only till the end of 2024. S24 users can enjoy software updates until 2031, providing a 7-year support span. Battery: the battery capacity has been increased from 3,900 mAh to 4,000 mAh, not a major upgrade. However, tests show that the S24 performs better than S23 in terms of battery life, delivering an extra 30 minutes of use, allowing for approximately 10 and 11 hours of mixed usage. The phone does not come with a charger, but it supports 205 W fast charging, reaching 50% in 30 minutes and taking about 1 hour and 15 minutes for a full charge. Wireless charging remains available. Is the S24 worth buying? As seen in the review, the S24 offers features like high build quality, an attractive design, good cameras, a superb display, and a well-rounded user interface with plenty of AI features. However, it has weaknesses such as limited RAM and storage in the base model, and the paid AI features post-2024. Nevertheless, the S24 stands out as a top choice for a compact flagship.